Hey, it's Big Jeff. This is the announcement to start the 7K giveaway. Now you got to watch this all the way to the end. I'll try to keep it fast. But about a month back, I said, hey, every 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give some away. And we've been doing that each week. And we're at 7K right now. Subscriber list has slowed down a little bit. We are down about 550 in the last 7 days. So hopefully we get that back up. Keep in mind, to do these giveaways, we need to increase our subscribers on YouTube and our followers on Facebook. So it all comes down to all of you to keep these going, and then we'll keep stepping them up. This is a big one because it's the talk of the town right now. And then the one after this for AK is going to be even bigger because we're going to probably do it at the racetrack, which we'll get into in another video. But for the 7K giveaway, now before I announce what we're giving away, this particular item has been talked about left and right. Who has it? Who doesn't have it? How can I get it? It blew my mind. Now, to be a part of these giveaways, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's number one. Number two, you have to like the video and then comment your name, location, and why you should win. And then finally, share. It's all of you that are making this happen. And I'm going to keep doing a giveaway, and I'm going to have to keep stepping them up every 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Now, later down the road, we'll incorporate Facebook, Instagram, and other social medias. But right now, you can share this video, which you could just hit the share button, copy it on all those social medias, because the more people we bring, the more people that subscribe and sign up, the more we can give away. So without further ado, the 7K giveaway is going to be a Kicker Solo X 12-inch dual 1-ohm. I mean, this just got released. It's all over the place. We have them. We're giving one away next weekend, Sunday. And you can find them on our website. Now, there's been talk back and forth. We were not allowed, nor is any websites allowed to have you check them out on the website. Don't know why, and that's fine. So if you want them, you need to contact us directly at 737-BIG-JEFF. You could chat, text, WhatsApp, or just go to our website, bigjeffaudio.com. You can message in through there, or social media, any way that you get a hold of us to get one. They are moving fast. We have sold a bunch already, and I'm being told that the dual 2-ohms are already on back order, so I don't even know how many we have left. But we still have some dual ones and some more coming, so get yours. But you can get a free one by doing what? Subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing, and you might be a winner of a Solo X kicker that just came out. Be one of the first. These things are awesome. A 3-inch voice coil, 2,000 watts RMS, and they are beast. Now, just to let you know, the 10-inch should be available in a couple weeks, and then the 15 after that, but the 12s are here right now. So I'm Big Jeff. I'm loving this. I'm loving you all. I need you to make sure you subscribe. Hey, why not follow us on Facebook? All our social medias are /Big Jeff Audio. Make sure you comment your name, location, and why you should win. And then always like the video and share. Listen, I'm Big Jeff Audio. I love giving back. I love all you. I would not be here. My employees would not be here without you. So this is how I give some love back. The 7K giveaway starts now.